Oh no, David, it is 8 o'clock already and we are still in bed.
Ugh. The alarm clock did not ring this morning, so we are very late now. Right.
The children are still sleeping, and we must go to school very soon today.
I will go to the kitchen to make some breakfast for the whole family.
I am running to Tom's room because he needs to wake up for his class. Tom, are you awake? Please wake up right now because it is very late. I am coming into your bedroom to help you get ready for the day. Look at the bright sun. It is time to get out of your warm bed.
Why are you shouting, Mom? I want to sleep for 5 more minutes, please. The sun is too bright for my eyes, so please close those yellow curtains.
You cannot sleep more because your school starts in only 30 minutes from now.
I have the cereal ready, so please hurry up and put on your clothes.
Anna speaks slowly.
Oh.
We must leave the house in 10 minutes or we will miss the bus. Here are your blue shorts and white socks on the bed for your first day today. Please do not forget to wear your new black shoes that we bought last weekend together.
Tom gets out of bed quickly because he wants to see his friends at the primary school. This new blue shirt feels very soft, and it fits me perfectly for my big morning. I look like a very smart student now, and I am ready to learn many things. You look wonderful, Tom, but now you must go to the bathroom to brush your teeth. Okay, Mom.
Tom runs to the bright bathroom and finds his favorite yellow toothbrush near the white sink. He takes the toothbrush.
I must brush my teeth for 2 minutes so they are very clean and very white.
He splashes some cold water on his face to wake up and feel fresh and happy.
Oh, wait for me, Tom, because I cannot find my favorite blue tie in this big house. Look here, it is on the floor next to my hot mug of morning coffee.
Dad, you are always losing your things, but I am ready for school before you today.
You are very fast today, Tom, so please go downstairs and eat your healthy cereal now.
The milk is on the table, and the bus will be here in 5 minutes.
Everyone is moving very quickly because the first day of school is finally starting today.
Here is your sandwich and a cold glass of milk for your breakfast today.
Thank you, Mom. Everything looks very tasty, and I am ready to eat now.
The coffee is very hot, and I need to check my emails before we leave. Oh no, there are many messages from my office today because it is very busy.
We do not have much time, so please hurry and finish your big breakfast soon.
Tom eats his healthy breakfast quickly while his parents prepare everything for the school day.
I am finished with my milk, and now I need to find my heavy backpack. I have my blue backpack here, but I must check if everything is inside it. Oh! My new notebook is here, and I have many colorful pencils for my art class. I am putting my cold water bottle into the side pocket of the bag now.
You are very organized, Tom, and your bag looks heavy with all those school things.
Wait a moment, I cannot see your yellow lunchbox anywhere on the messy kitchen table. I found it. The lunchbox was behind the large bowl of fruit on the counter. Take your lunchbox and put it inside your bag because you will be hungry later.
The family is finally ready to go, and they walk toward the front door very fast.
Wait a minute. I must brush my hair quickly before we walk out of the front door.
I cannot find my favorite blue car. It is probably under the big brown living room couch.
Tom, please hurry up. We have no time to look for toys in the living room now.
I found it. My blue car was hiding in the corner near the dusty floor and couch.
Everyone is finally ready to go. They run outside to the family car in the sunny driveway. I have the car keys in my hand. Let us get into the car right now, everyone.
The time is 8 o'clock. We must drive fast, but we must also be very safe.
I am sitting in my seat. I am ready to go to my favorite school and learn.
Please fasten your seatbelts now. We are going to start the car and leave the house.
I am wearing my seatbelt. We are ready to drive through the busy morning city streets. The car moves slowly because there are many other cars on the long, gray road today.
Look at all the traffic. Why are there so many red and white cars on the road? Dad, will we have time to play on the big playground before my morning classes start?
Yes, Tom. If we arrive on time, you can play with your friends outside for 10 minutes.
Look! We are finally at the school gate, and the sun is shining very brightly today. I need to take my heavy blue backpack and my lunchbox before I jump out.
Have a wonderful day at school, Tom, and remember to listen to your teacher today.
Do not forget to eat your red apple during the small break in the morning. Tom stands in front of the colorful school building while the car slowly drives away. Good morning, Tom. It is very nice to see you back at school this morning.
Hello, Miss Sarah. I am very happy because I want to play on the playground.
The big playground is open now, but you must put your bag in the classroom.
I will run to the classroom quickly so I can have more time to play.
Please walk slowly in the hallway because many other students are arriving at school now.
I understand, Miss Sarah. I will be very careful and walk quietly to my desk. The school playground is full of children playing games and talking with their happy friends.
You are a very good student, Tom. Now, go inside and prepare for your day.
Thank you! I am ready to learn many new things and play with my friends.
Tom walks through the front door of the school with a very big, happy smile. Tom comes home from school and sees his mother resting on the soft green living room sofa.
Mom looks very tired today after her long day of work at the big office downtown.
She works very hard for us, so let us make a special surprise for her now.
I want to help. Can we make her a delicious breakfast on a big wooden tray?
That is a great idea. Let us go to the messy kitchen and find the cereal.
Ah!
You can pour the cereal into the bowl while I cut the bread for the sandwich.
I am being very careful with the cold milk, because I do not want a mess.
Now we need some yellow butter for the sandwich and a glass of orange juice.
I have the flowers. These bright yellow flowers will make Mom feel very happy and special. You know, the tray is ready.
We must walk very slowly so we do not drop the food.
Wake up, Mom. Wake up, Mom. We have a sweet surprise for you to eat this sunny morning.
Oh my goodness! This is a beautiful breakfast, and the flowers are very pretty. Thank you both so much for being so kind and helpful to me today.
We promise to help you every morning because we love you very much, Mom.
You are the best family. Now let us eat this delicious breakfast together on the sofa.